What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, today, how are you, by the way? Today is gonna be crazy because, first of all, I'm leaving for Paris tomorrow, but I just got a call from Lamborghini of Calabasas. Now, you guys, we all know, this is my baby. Mr. Diva is a Lamborghini Huracan, and I got her 2 years ago to celebrate some really big milestones in my life. Never even thought in the 10 million years I would ever have one Lamborghini.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So today, what are we doing, babe?
We're getting a second.
We're getting a second one. I got to custom build the brand new Lamborghini Urus, which is the first ever super SUV and also one of Lamborghini's only SUVs that they've ever created. They created one before years ago.
Yes.
But this is the new crazy supercar. So I am, of course, a car junkie. I'm gonna need a car museum soon.
Yeah, maybe a small one.
Just a little one. But the dealership let me custom build this, and it is such a dream. So before I hop on my flight, we're gonna go pick it up, take it for a test drive, and celebrate. And let's see what this car looks like. All right, you guys, we just got to the dealer and they are finishing detailing the car. It just got here from Italy and I see tiny peeks through the window right now and I am dying. All right, you guys, let's go check it out. Nate already ran up to it. How's it look, Nate?
It looks so stunning.
Oh my God. It looks
Italian.
I'm choking, I have no words. Oh my God, look at that front end. Ooh! This is insane. Oh my God. It's like a baby, it took 9 months and it was definitely worth it. Is it open? Oh my God, I forgot that I custom did the steering wheel yellow. Holy shit, I forgot. Look at the inside. Oh, they haven't even peeled off the wrapper yet. It's like a new makeup palette when you pull off the plastic off the mirror. Holy shit. This is crazy.
So
Oh my God. Literally custom yellow everything. Oh, look, Nate, you got a hat.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. We love that. Whoa. It looks so. Look at the crazy sunroof. Remember,
Oh,
we
shit,
got the
I
whole.
forgot.
Yeah, we got the crazy sunroof. Oh my God. Full every bell and whistle. The smell is so good. Holy shit. This is so crazy. I feel like I'm dreaming right now. I feel high and I'm not. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, so these screens, yeah, they're detachable. Good morning. It's like a Lamborghini own brand iPad, basically.
Yeah,
This is crazy. Like, should we peel back? We're peeling back.
You're peeling back?
Yeah, we're peeling back, honey. Woo! We have to. Oh my God, all of the suede interior is so stunning. I'm like shook right now. Wow. Look at all the custom detailing in the seats. Oh, look at the button, look at that. Oh, it's the little things. Wow. The most important part of the vehicle, besides the engine, is the ass. Let's check out the booty. Oh, wow. Wow. All the detailing on the whole butt is so stunning. That's a
big trunk.
That's a big trunk for a Lambo. They did that. All right, we're gonna peel off the seal like we're peeling off a pallet. Oh, so fresh. All right, let's get this one off. Come on, nails. I love how fresh this is. Like, good morning.
Pulling it off?
Yeah. Hold on, I got a little bit left. Got it. Wow. It is so beautiful. The craftsmanship is like, this was definitely worth the wait. I am so shook. Look at that. Yes, Natalia.
Get it. That's cool, right?
You met Nate before, right?
Hi, Ron.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Take off the seal of approval. Bam.
Yeah, this is just all this right here.
It's
you know, all the way
unreal.
across, it goes all the way
Yeah.
underneath,
Woo.
you know?
unreal.
It just turned out.
I love how they did this whole thing. It's crazy.
So,
Yay!
So cool.
Woo.
This just looks, you know.
It's so
Yeah.
bitchin'. Now the not so fun part, filling out all the forms so we can officially buy it and make this Lamborghini Urus Jeffree Star approved. All right, paperwork is officially done. Voldemort bought a second Lamborghini. All right, you guys, we just finished the paperwork. Everything is officially done, and this car is mine. Let's turn it on, babe.
Ready?
Yep.
Push the button, baby.
Ooh. Engine on, baby. It sounds so sick. All right, obviously, you guys, we are about to leave and go for a official first drive, and I'm starving, so maybe we'll do a mukbang and try not to get any fast food in this car. All right, let's take it for a spin. All right, just from being in it for 1 second, it is so powerful. Oh, it just feels so good. And this is not a Trojan ad. All right, we're gonna go see if Taco Bell's open. If not, we're gonna find something else, but we're gonna hit the freeway, and I'm so excited to put this engine to the test. Woo! All right, I definitely think it's time to hit the gas, and let's see how fast this motherfucker goes for a second. Woo! Oh my God, this is so smooth. We're going over 80, and it feels like I'm going 30. Like, she's smooth. Ooh, this thing picks up so good. And the brakes, it's like smoother than my ass after a fresh wax. Woo! Okay, let's do a little turn. Doing donuts in the Calabasas. We just got home and we parked our new baby next to our other Lamborghini. So insane. It's such a surreal day for me, and I'm shook. So we are gonna go celebrate, have some dinner, and take this baby to Malibu. And then I am off to Paris in the morning. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.